to fix Snapchat app could not accept friend request problem. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Snapchat app could not accept the friend request problem. So if you are facing the issues with your Snapchat where it says it could not accept our friend request, so you have to try the following troubleshooting step to solve that issue. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection on your device. Also, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your app installed on your device. So you have to check for the update. Just go for your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Snapchat on the search bar. So if there is any update available here, you have to update of your app. Also, you can close completely the Snapchat and then reopen it. So if you have launched your Snapchat here, you have to simply close the Snapchat and then you can reopen it. Also, you can navigate to your setting or long press on the Snapchat and go for the eye icon here. And you have to just go and tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache here. So it's also help you to fix some issues related to your Snapchat. Also, you can log out from your account, then log back into refresh your session. You can also uninstall your Snapchat and then reinstall it to reset any potential issue. So with this step, you can easily fix the Snapchat could not accept different request problem on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. That's it for today.